Hello guys, it's Iffy here. Thank you for joining me here on my channel today. Hope you're doing well. Well, it's a beautiful day even though I think it's about to rain. I'm just coming from the market. Usually I buy things in bulk, but I just wanted to buy a few bits because I found out that I've run out of a lot of things. Usually I get some Nigerian food stuff, ingredients from Nigeria, but all of a sudden I've run out. So I just decided to go to the market and buy a few things because I want to cook few things, including bitter leaf soup at some point. In some other places in the market, it was £1.50, but I got this one for £1.20. So I got two sets so that they don't get too ripe. But yeah, things are getting so expensive now everywhere. So that's that one done. Move it to one corner. And I've got some of these tatashe kind of peppers. I want to use and cook stew. So this whole bag is £2. So this one was not quite bad. Even though I look for I look for bargains. So this one was £2. So something like this, £1 each. £1 each. So this one was a good bargain. I bought palm cream. How much is this? In some other shops they were selling it £3, but I got this one for £2.50. So this is palm cream for cooking different things, just different kinds of soup. But I'm going to use it to cook bitter leaf soup, so I don't need to add more oil. So that's what I got. No cubes. To be honest, I can't remember how much this cost, but it's like £2.50 or something like that. This is not cubes. This one was the most annoying for me. This is washed bitter leaf that I used to cook bitter leaf soup or ofonobo. And this is the first time in my life I'm actually having to buy it from London. Usually I buy it from Nigeria in bulk and put it in the freezer and it lasts for so many months, but I didn't know mine had finished. So I went to the market and I bought this. Guess how much this is, guys? £2.50. £2.50 for this little bag. I don't know how much is the weigh. How much does this bag weigh? I don't think they wrote 500 grams. Well, I don't know. So this is £2.50. And will one be enough? A whole pot of soup? No. So I got even like 3 packets. But yeah, so expensive. But hey, you have to do what you have to do. You know, sometimes there's just some kind of food that is calling your name. You need to eat some kind of things, and you just have to buy it. And this is stockfish, smoked fish, whatever, dried fish. So this is £3.99. So let's say £4 for this packet. And they said this is 200 grams. But here, dried fish. You know, sometimes when people travel and they bring back all this food stuff, you don't really appreciate it until you go to the market. When you go to the market, you almost want to cry. No, this is jollof rice spice. This is the first time I really don't use all these things. But I just said, let me try and see what difference it will make. I mean, my jollof rice is very good, trust me. But I just saw this and I decided, no, let me find out what is going to taste like, or how different the food is going to taste. So this was £1 anyway, so I just decided to try it out. This is ground cocoyam ede. This is for cooking, for thickening your soup, like bitter leaf soup. Usually people use the cocoyam itself, but to be honest with you, I can't be bothered. I can't be bothered. Anything to make my life easier, anything to cut the time shorter. And so I'm going to try this out and see what it's going to be like. Usually I use porridge to thicken soup, but I just want to try this out, to be honest with you. So I got this. How much was this? I can't remember, but yes, I got this. This is cow leg here. I'll use it to cook different kinds of food, or I'll just wash them very well with salt water and put it in the freezer so that when I need it, I can now get from there. I can now get from the freezer when it's already washed or maybe parboiled or something. That's how it. And I got mackerel. I got this. They're selling 5 for £5. 5 for £5. So this is the mackerel here, all cut up for me. The guy asked me if we could cut it. I didn't actually know they cut fish in the market, so usually I cut it myself. But he did ask if he could cut it, and I said, yeah, why not? Some beef. So this is beef. So this is beef. How much was this? Look at this size. This is £3. You know, if you boil and fry all these things, I could eat it all by myself. This is £3. This is beef, and I said, please take off all the fat and all the This is gizzard, chicken gizzard. I got this. I got 3 packets of this. 3 of these size. 3 of these were £5. I think 1 is £2 and 3 for £5. So this is gizzard, and it's all clean, all nice and clean. But I still wash it with hot water and salt. So yeah, this is it. So when you go to the market, sometimes it's so how will I put it? It's so, I don't know, things are just so expensive, and it's like even the shopkeepers don't even care. You know how you say, oh, okay, I'm not buying from you, let me just go to somewhere else. They will actually tell you bye bye. So people have to work extra hard. People have to work extra hard to feed their families, honestly. So it's my day off today, so I'm going to try and see what I can quickly cook before school runs, and it's the children's last day today. So the holiday starts. The holiday of, mommy, I want this. Open the fridge. What is there? What is not there? Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. You guys like this type of videos? What kind of videos would you like to see from me? Let me know in the comments below. Video, and I hope I'll see you next time. If you haven't subscribed already, click on the subscribe button. The red button is free, it's easy, and that's all you have to do, so that anytime I upload a video, you will get it. So thank you for watching. Take care, stay blessed. Bye bye.